Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Fidelity routing number. Finding your Fidelity routing number involves identifying the routing transit number associated with your account, which is essential for transferring funds and verifying financial transactions. Whenever you initiate a funds transfer or set up direct deposits, providing the correct routing number is vital to avoid any delays or errors in accessing and managing your finances. Understanding the significance of this routing number can simplify your financial transactions and enhance the security of your accounts. Now head to the steps. First, check your Fidelity checks. One way to find your Fidelity routing number is by checking your physical Fidelity checks, where the routing number is usually printed for transactions, transfers, and account identification. You can easily locate this important identifier near the bottom left corner of your Fidelity check. The another step is log into your Fidelity account online. Access your Fidelity account online to find the routing number within your account preferences. This allows for smooth electronic transfers and easy management of your financial settings. Once you log into your Fidelity online banking platform, navigate to the account preference section where you can locate the routing number. This essential number is crucial for conducting secure electronic transfers, setting up direct deposits, and ensuring seamless financial transactions. The another and preferable step is contact Fidelity customer service. You have to just scroll down the page and you can find here the contact us option. Click on it and they will redirect you to their contact us page. From here, you can start a live chat with their virtual assistant, and you also can start a chat with their live team. Or you just can give them a call by clicking on view phone number button. You will find their active phone numbers. To communicate with them, just call on 800-343-3548. You can also find their more phone numbers available by clicking on view all phone numbers. Also, you can visit a Fidelity branch. For personalized guidance, consider visiting a Fidelity branch nearby you to inquire about your routing number, explore account management services, seek financial advice, and access various financial services. By visiting a Fidelity branch, you can benefit from the expertise of dedicated financial professionals who can assist you with not only obtaining your routing number but also provide tailored advice on managing your accounts efficiently. That's all. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. We will back again with another informative video.